Hello everybody, welcome to week 14. We have a pretty light week, so let's get started and see what's going on. Here's your course schedule. The first thing I need to show you is in the Start Here column. We only have one class this week, so I will see everybody on Monday or Tuesday, depending on what day your class is. Only one class this week. We are still deep into writing. Then on Monday, you have one new thing to do on Monday, and that is an argument organizer for your final draft of your persuasive essay. You will be handing in this worksheet with your final draft. And I just want you to know that you can definitely print it, do a rough draft, write all over it, whatever you need to do. But when you turn in your final draft, it's going to be polished, spell checked, typed, and following the directions, you're going to have your answers in a different color font so I can read it well. And make sure the font is easy to read. So that is you're going to read and start drafting that. And then on Tuesday, you're going to have a little peer review thing. And then you're going to have your final, you're going to start writing your final draft on Wednesday. So let's get started and look. So here are your Writer's Notebook Daily Writing, Never a Day Without a Line. This week you're going to be doing, you're telling me what you're doing in your notebook every day to draft and revise your formal academic persuasive essay. And if you would like to stray from that, of course you can write whatever you want. So you can take your choices as well. And remember, this is a 5-day-a-week assignment, so I realize that we have a short week this week, but you're going to have this for every day. You know how to fudge on that. I don't need to tell you. So 5 entries this week. All right. On to Monday, here's that argument organizer. You're going to type your answers in a different color, and then you're going to be getting ready for that to be a final draft. And then, of course, you're drafting and revising and editing and on repeat on Monday to get your peer review stuff done. And on Tuesday, you're going to make sure that you have all of your peer review stuff done for your peer group, for your peer review group. And you're going to be filling out this argument organizer for each person in your group, as well as doing an annotation on their paper. So both of those things need to be in the discussion board, posted to the discussion board on Wednesday. That's when that is due. And then on Wednesday, you're just going to be doing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Never a Day Without a Line. And then you're going to do that drafting and editing and writing to do your final draft, because then your final draft will be due on December 1st, which is a week from Tuesday. Okay? And that is your whole week. I hope you have a great one. I will see you in class on Monday or Tuesday. And if you have questions or want to have a conference, please feel free to request one. I would love to talk to you about your paper. Have a great week.